Let's crochet the tulip flowers. Ring needle. First hook up the vertical needle. Tighten this knot and loosen the loop on the crochet hook a little. The first loop is wrapped with 6 short needles. The second stitch is 3, 4, 5, 6. Tighten the coil. Put the thread behind the fabric. Needle extraction. Strain. Hook another standing needle. The second circle of 6 sets of needles. Hook 2 short needles inside each stitch. Group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. The fifth and final group. After the second hook, there are a total of 12 needles, and the pulling needle is tightened. Loosen up the needle. Next, continue crocheting the third turn. The rule of the third circle is to cycle 6 groups. A short needle and a plus needle. The first needle is a short needle. The next needle is a set of needles, a single short needle and a set of needles. Short needle plus needle alone. The last group has a single short needle, and the last stitch we hook and add a short needle and then a stitch. After the third hook, there are a total of 18 stitches. Pull out the needle and stand up the needle. Fourth lap. Cycle 6 groups short and short. It can be understood as hooking 1 needle every 2 short needles. We take the first group apart. Hook a short needle first. Then the hook is added to the needle, and then the 2 short needles are added to the needle. 1 or 2 short needles plus needles. One or 2 short needles plus 1 needle. One or 2 short needles plus needles. One or 2 short needles plus needles. One or 2 short needles plus needles. The last needle. We hook a single short needle. After the fourth hook, there are 24 needles. Pull the needle is tightened. Loosen up the needle. We tighten the thread at the beginning. This side is the front. This side is the opposite. The crocheting method is the same from the 5th to the 10th turn. 24 short needles per circle are not added or subtracted. Each needle corresponds to a hook. Here everyone crochets by themselves. Hook the 10th lap all the way. Here I have already hooked the 10th lap. Hook the pole needle and the standing needle as well. Let's leave a line. The line is about 20 centimeters long. Add padding cotton inside. Be sure to turn it over when hooking. Turn the front and take out the stitches. Let's sew the flower head. Fold. Sew this row with pull needles and the opposite side. Find a central position. Press down on the filler cotton. Transition the line to the center of the side. Strain. A few more stitches. We use the same method to make 2 flower heads. This thread can be left. If suturing is chosen, you can sew the thread and the flower rod together. If you choose glue and glue, you can disconnect. Make 2 tulip flowers in the same way. Let's crochet the flower rod again. The flower rod needs to be hooked a long and a short, and the crocheting method of both is the same. The difference is that the number of turns required for crocheting is different. The long flower pole needs to be hooked 13 times. Short flower stem. Hook 12 turns. Let's look at the crochet method. Ring needle, standing needle. Each circle is 6 short needles. After the first lap was completed, hook and pull needle. There is no mark buckle here. Stand needle. The second circle has 6 short needles. Find the location of the first needle. Hang the marker buckle. You can count backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the fabric over. Turn it face outward. Tightened, third lap. Fourth lap. The fifth lap follows the same method. Hook the 2 flower poles. This is how you count laps. Here is the first and second laps. The third and fourth circles, the long hook 13 circles. 12 short hooks. After hooking 5 or 6 times, add some padding cotton. The thread is stuffed inside, and you can hook it a few times and add some to it. After the 13th lap, lock a needle. Broken wire, thread plugged in. Add padding and tidy up. Make another short hook to 12 turns. Sew the flower head to the flower stem. If you don't want to sew, You can also directly cut this thread and glue it together. Here is the method of suturing. Strain. Hide the thread. Shear. Knead.